Hello friends, welcome to Sthitpragya Life. I am your friend Sandeep Srivastav, and today we will start the first chapter of Bhagavad Gita, Arjuna Vishada Yoga, observing the armies. So here we are. Let us start with the first shloka, which is Dhritarashtra Uvacha, told by Dhritarashtra. Dharmakshetre Kurukshetre Samaveta Yuyutsava Mamakaha Pandavaschaiva Kima Kurvata Sanjaya. Let us first know the meaning of the shloka. Dhritarashtra asked Sanjaya, what did my people and the sons of Pandu do when they had assembled together eager for the battle on the holy plain of Kurukshetra? After the meaning, let us do a quick recap. This is something which we have discussed in our last sessions. Who was Dhritarashtra, who was Sanjaya, and who was King Pandu? Please refer to my last videos just in case if you want to understand these three characters. Now let us understand it a little deeper. What does it mean when Dhritarashtra asks Sanjaya about his sons and sons of Pandu who have assembled in the battlefield of Kurukshetra? In order to understand this, let us first understand what is the meaning of the name Dhritarashtra. Dhrit means to get attached strongly, to become sticky, and Rashtra means a nation. So, Dhritarashtra was always attached towards his 100 sons, specifically Duryodhana, his throne and his nation. He also knew the fact behind why only Kurukshetra was chosen for the war, because it was a place which was meant exclusively for all the righteous activities to take place. Just to recall what we have discussed about the place Kurukshetra and the story of King Kuru, please refer to my last video just in case if you want to know it in detail. So now look at this particular situation or the shloka from a leadership perspective. Dhritarashtra was a bad leader too, because he bifurcated right in the first shloka. As you can see, he bifurcated between his sons and the sons of his brother, wherein he says Mamakaha, that means my sons, and Pandavaschaiva, that means sons of Pandu. As we all know, a good leader never bifurcates. For him, all are one and he is the one for all. So this brings to a conclusion that Dhritarashtra was not just blind by eyes, but he was also blind by mind too. What is the relativity? Very important. False emotions and attachment blinds us to see the righteousness, dharma, no matter how terrible the situation gets. It will never let you see what is right. So, Dhritarashtra knew this, and that's why he was terrified and asked Sanjaya, what did my sons and sons of Pandu do? He also knew that Pandavas are on the path of dharma, righteousness, and they are destined to emerge victorious. Yet he was so attached towards his sons that he ignored the fact, power of dharma, and overlooked his sons' victory. This brings to the end of the session, friends. And as I always say, you can reach me on my number, which is 9030731306. And thank you so much once again for your overwhelming response that you have been writing so beautiful emails to me. Thank you so much once again. My email ID is sthitpragya.sandeep@gmail.com. I wish you a great week ahead. Thank you so much once again. Good luck.